Welcome to Rasastra class. Namaskar, Khusro Bhatia. Myself, JVN Devashish Panigrahi. Today, we are going to discuss the topic on Swarna or gold, in Hindi, commonly known as Sona, with various Sanskrit synonyms like Suvarna, Hiranya, Dravina, Kanaka, Hema, Kalyanaka, Agnivarna, Agnibija, Mangalayaka, Champeyaka, Rukma, Hataka, etc. The reference of gold are available in Vedic period by name Hiranya. The entire Sri Sukta mentioned about the transformation of gold from inferior metals. The relation between Hiranya and Surya is available in Rig Veda, where it is mentioned that the chariot or the rath of Surya is made by gold. In ancient times, the use of gold is mentioned to increase the intellectual powers and longevity of life through procedure of Suvarna Prasana. Mythological origin, according to Satapatha Brahmana, Swarna is semen of Agnideva, the ejaculated semen of Lord Shiva vomited by Agnideva is Swarna. The Dhatu metal classification in Rasastra Swarna is placed under Shuddha Loha, Sara Loha and Dhatu Varna. It have 5 types or 5 variety. That is natural one, Prakruta, produced from Rajoguna. Number 2, Sahaja, produced by Jarayu. Number 3, Banni Sambhuta, produced from in Lord Shiva's Virya. Number 4, Khanija Sambhuta, produced in Himalaya, Sumeru or Vindhyarat. Number 5, Rasendra Veda Sambhuta, prepared by Vedaja Karma of Bharata. All these varieties are according to Rasaratna Samuchaya. The qualities of acceptable variety, as per reference of Rasaratna Samuchaya, it becomes red on heating, looks white on cutting, yellow like saffron on rubbing over nikasa, guru, mrudu, snigdha, and does not contain impurities like copper or silver, is considered as a Grahya variety. The Swarna, which looks white, Kathina, colorless, white in color on heating, logo in weight, is not considered for medicinal purposes, that is Agrahya variety. So Rasatarangini also quotes Kamalam Raktapitava Snigdham Surbendu Barjitam Guru Cha Akhila Dhatubhya Jatya Sattvavarna Uttamam Tatsuvarnam Uttamam. According to the Agrahya variety, Kathinam Laghu Rukhyacha Kase Chede Anale Sitam Tara Tamra Samyuktam Swarnam Hemya Srutam Budhe. So these are the acceptable and unacceptable varieties as described in classicals. The mineralogical characteristics, as we all know, gold is very costly and pure metals. So there are many studies on quality and standards, purity. Pure gold melts at 1064 degree and boils at 2807 degree. Gold is the highest malleability, ductility and sectility. Its density is 19.32 per cubic centimeter at 20 degree centigrade. It can be dissolved in a mixture of hydrochloric acid and nitric acid called aqua regia. It may also dissolve in alkaline cyanide solutions, a hot solution of ferric chloride, thiosulfate solutions, mercury, or nascent, that is free chlorine. It is unaffected by air, water, alkali, and acids except nitric acid and hydrochloric acid. Though gold is unaffected by water, the water treated with gold by keeping it in a golden vessel or boiling with gold, called as Swarna Siddha Jala, is said to be beneficial for the health. The Sodhana process, according to some reference, the scholars have advised Swarna is in pure state, noble metal, so there is no need of purifications. Hence, Rasaprakash Sudhakara also quotes, "Na tu suddhasya hamnasya sodhanam कारयेत भिषक." भिषक चिकित्सक को हेम स्वर्ण का शोधन करने की जरूरत नहीं है, क्योंकि ऑलरेडी ये नोबल मेटल या शुद्ध या सारा लोह रूप में आता है. बट रिगार्डिंग सामान्य शोधन एंड विशेष शोधन, सामान्य शोधन of all the metals or dhatus are done by this reference according to Asratna Samuchaya. 5 liquid media have been used, that is Tiltel, Takra, Gomutra, Arnala, and Kulathakwaka. Thin sheets of Asuddha Swarna should be prepared, and after heating to red hot, Nirbapana should be done in Tila Taila, Takra, Gomutra, Aranala, and Aranala is Kanji, and Kulathakwaka, decoction of Kulatha. Consecutively for 7 times in each liquid media, thus Samanya Swadhita Swarna could be obtained. Somewhere Viseshu Sadhana also, there are many references of Viseshu Sadhana. Here we are going to describe on Rasa Tarangini reference. 1 cursor weight of thin sheets of Samanya Swadhita Swarna should be taken. Paste of Saindhava Labana and Banyapala plus Nimbuswarasa should be applied. Then after drying, the patra should be subjected to Kukuta Putta. Thus, Viseshu Sadhana of Swarna is occurred. Regarding Marana and Swarna Bhasma, according to Rasaratna Samuchaya reference, Krutva Kantaka Vedhyani Swarna Patrani Lepayet Lungambu Bhasma Sutena Briyate Dasabhi Putam. Thin sheets of Suddha Swarna should be prepared. Paste of Parada Bhasma plus Nimbuswarasa should be applied on that Swarna Patra. After drying, subjected to Putta. This process is repeated for total 10 times. Thus, the Suvarna Bhasma could be prepared. There are many other references also. Different methods have been mentioned in various texts of the Shastra about the incineration or Bhasmikaran of gold. The common procedure here is followed. Now, Swarna Dhruti. Swarna Dhruti, Manduka Asti, Basa, Tankana, Hoyala Le Indrogopakei, Pratibhapena, Kanakam, Sutiram Tishtati Dhrutam. Bone and fat of frog, Tankana, Sodita, horse saliva, Indragopa, a type of insect, should be taken in equal part, and all the ingredients should be titrated well, and these materials are subjected to Pratibhapa, convert Swarna into liquid state for a very long time, that is Swarna Dhruti. The properties of Swarna, it is Medhya, Visagaraharam, Brusyam, Brusyam Agryam also, Yaksma, Unmada Prasamanam, Deharaga Pramati, Medha, Budhi, स्मृति सुखकरम, सर्वदोष आमयग्न, रुच्यम, दीप्त प्रशमितरुजम, स्वादुपाकम. Swarnabhasma is sweet, slightly astringent and bitter in taste, sweet in the post-digestive effect, that is vipaka, and has a cold potency. It is anoxious in attribute and the best rejuvenative. It augments the strength, memory, seminal fluids, intelligence, and improves the complexion. It is anabolic, beneficial to the heart and voice also. It detoxifies the toxic metabolites and possesses a mild anti-tubercular activity. It boosts up the sattva attribute to of mind and reduces rajas and tamas gunas. It elevates vata and pitta dosa. Swarnabhasma is used to treat various diseases like tuberculosis, anemia, cough, burning sensation, debility, sterility, cardiac debility, muscular debility, intoxication, diseases of Vata, and is rejuvenative to promote longevity and prevent aging. Adverse effect and management. Amalaki churna plus madhu and haritaki churna plus madhu should be used for 3 days, and bilva phala is advised as apatya. It should not be used during the Suvarna Sevana period. Dose and Anupana, according to Rasatarangani, it should be 1/8 rati to 1/4 rati, and Anupana for Balya property with it should be consumed with milk. For Rasayana property, it should be taken with Ghruta. For Daha Santi, it should be taken with Sarkara. For Dishya property, it should be taken with Vengraswarasa, and for Smriti Vardhana, it is advised with Bachachurna. Some important formulations have been compiled here. They are Kasturi Bhairava Rasa, Makaradhwaja, Swarna Parpati, Dhyat Bhata Chintamani, Swarna Basanta Malati, and Mahalakshmi Vilasa Rasa, etc. This session is powered by digital version 2.0, Jyoti Vidyapita Women's University. Hope you are satisfied with my digital session. If you have any query, then mention in comment box. I will resolve it. Sarve Santu Niramaya. Thank you.